This 2012 Winnebago Aspect 28T is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a Westwood Beige with VIenna Glazed Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 33 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2012 Winnebago Aspect 28T is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.